3, 4. What's up, YouTubers? This is the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing a fun tune by Dramarama. Anything. Super easy. Even beginners can try to play this. We got all open chords. Let's go. Standard tuning. E minor, 1, 2. From E minor, we keep second finger, move third finger to E string, 3rd fret, and add pinky, 3rd fret, E. High E. Then we move down to C. First finger, 2nd, 3rd, to D. 1, 2, 3. You can play the A string when you play D. So here's the switching. E minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, D. Minor to G, C to D. Down, 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 choruses, you can play open verses. Let's mute a little bit. Dynamics. Put your right hand on the bridge and mute the strings a little bit. Same strumming. Chorus. Octaves. So that's 5, D, 7. No, let's see, 5, D, 8, B. Octaves, and just move that. 5, 4, 5, 5, 4, 5, 5, 4, 5, 7. Just move the pinky along with the octaves. Mute the G string. Like this for the song. 2 fingers, 3rd finger and pinky, and I'll mute the A string. And when I hit the C, I actually add the pinky on the high G. maybe not play the third in the D. Maybe play open E. Use your ears, see what you think sounds better. I actually mute the high E string when I play D all the time. Sounds like that. Awesome song. See you guys tomorrow. Be safe, be well. Thank you guys. Bye.